Hey guys, Charlie with Badass Beard Care, and today I'm here to talk to you about our bearded men's multivitamin called Chuck's Essentials. Now, our Chuck's Essentials are a complete men's multivitamin that has everything you need for your daily health, as well as ingredients specifically for your hair and skin health. Those ingredients include B vitamins, folic acid, omega-3s, and biotin, as well as others. We really recommend checking out the full ingredients list below in the product description. We also recommend checking these and comparing against your current men's multivitamin. We're so confident in these that they're going to replace everything you currently take and then give you everything else you need for a healthy beard growth. So if anyone ever tells you that something will make your hair grow where there's none to begin with, don't buy into it. All you can do is make sure that your hair and skin are as healthy as possible to facilitate faster, healthier growth. One big thing, when someone has a patchy beard, a lot of times it's not because the hair isn't growing. They'll see the hair there, but it's much thinner or it's much shorter than they want it to be. And that's where these vitamins can really help. They'll make your hair stronger and healthier, as well as more flexible, so it's less likely to break, which will result in a much healthier, thicker beard. For optimal results, we recommend taking one with every meal. We sell these in 30-day supply or 90-day supplies. You can check them out now at badassbeardcare.com.